Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of JavaScript error on our Discord. So for that you need to open up your task manager, but make sure that you open up your task manager by right clicking on your mouse and then run it as administrator. Then click on more details, and after that hit up your details section on the top, and after that search for Discord files and right click them and click on end task. Make sure that all your Discord files have ended their task on this section. Then after that you need to open up your control panel. Then under the program section you will be able to see the option of uninstall a program. Just click on it and uninstall Discord. After that you need to open up command prompt, and after opening up command prompt, but make sure that while opening command prompt you open it up as an administrator. Then you need to type a command, and it is gp update space slash force, and just hit enter after typing in this command. After that go to the Windows section and search for run and open up your run command, and in the command section type percentage app data percentage and then hit enter, and in the list find Discord and right click on it, then delete, and after that again open up run and type the command percentage local app data percentage, then again find the Discord and right click on it, then delete, and then after that you need to open up your browser and search for Discord. Then you need to click on this option of download option and download Discord. But before installing you need to restart your PC, and after you restart your PC then install the Discord and use Discord. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.